Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a full face of affordable makeup that is less than $12. Like, mind-blowing, right? You can achieve this look for some products that are less than $12 and not just know anything type of products that are $12 or less. These are actual brands that are bomb. Like, they've been coming through with the stuff. So I'm going to give you guys all of the tricks and tips on how you can achieve this look and what products I use. If you want to keep watching and see how I did so, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button, it definitely helps me out. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to moisturize my face with the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. Guys, if you haven't seen my last drugstore haul video and me trying out these products for the first time, definitely check that out. But I can tell you, I really do like this moisturizer. The e.l.f. cleanser, I got it in a set. The e.l.f. cleanser, for some reason, it causes me to break out right here. I don't know if it's that. Every time I do use that and add that in my regimen, this comes. So this happened twice when I tried that cleanser for whatever reason. I'm not sure if it's that product, but I do like the moisturizer. This seems to not give me an issue because I use this literally like every day. And when I put that cleanser on, then all of a sudden, boom, there's a breakout. I don't know, child, I don't know. So I'm in between two primers here, but I think I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Luminous one. I really do like the dewy one that they have, the Jelly Pop Dewy one. I'm gonna just use this luminous one though. I do want to compare that dewy one to the original MAC. I said the MAC. The original, the high-end one, which is the Milk Makeup. I do want to try that. Honestly, I want to see if it's how much of a difference it is like wearing it for a few hours under makeup, because I do know that consistency is different. But this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer, I love the way this luminous one feel. I did take back the poreless one, so definitely check out that video as well. It'll pop up on the cards here, the videos that I'm mentioning. Definitely check out that video because I like this one more than that poreless one. That poreless one was just making my skin feel really dry. This one makes my skin feel more hydrated, which I love a hydration in my skin. So that is that. So we're gonna let this sit on just for a little bit, and we're gonna talk about this new foundation that I'm trying out for the first time. I know it's been out on the market for some time, but this is the Covergirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition All Day Shine Free Foundation, and it looks like this. And I have it in the shade Tan Neutral, so I'm excited to try this. I've never tried it. I did try their True Blend before here on my channel. We're gonna go in with this today. I've already done my brows, so my brow product is the Morphe pencil in the shade Java. I talked about this pencil before here on my channel. It is definitely a dupe to me, to the Benefit Precisely Brow Pencil, which is $24, and this is only $5. So again, this whole face is going to be products that are under $12. Whether you use a coupon or not, you still can get them less than $12. So that is why I'm super excited about this. So we're gonna go in with this foundation. I'm just gonna shake it up, and I'm gonna put 2 pumps on my hand. Now I did not check this shade out and see if it was my shade, but we will make it work as I always do. Like so. Using my Sonia Kashuk sponge. You can get this sponge from Target. That was 2 pumps, and I feel like it's not really a lot of coverage. I'm gonna go in with more because I want more of a fuller coverage, especially with this breakout. So after putting another layer, it looks a lot better to me. It wasn't a lot of coverage at first, but this is looking so much better. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. I have it in the shade Beige. Going in with my Airspun powder. This is like one of my favorite drugstore powders that I've ever used. Like, I haven't even ventured out to try other drugstore setting powders. So comment down below some setting powders that are drugstore that you think I would like. I don't like too much of a matte, so please don't recommend a matte one that's like super drying and has a white cast. Like, I don't like those. That's not gonna fly. So I'm just gonna brush that off. I only set the areas that I had concealer. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in the shade 743 What Shady Beaches, and it looks like this. So going in with this bronzer. I actually like this bronzer. It's super warm for my skin tone. Wet n Wild got some nice bronzers. And I was in Five Below. A couple days ago, and I saw that they have the whole, like, a lot of Wet n Wild stuff. So, you guys, makeup can be purchased in so many different places now. It's so awesome. It's so awesome to me. So now we're gonna go into the shadow. So I'm so excited because I picked up this new eyeshadow palette to me. I got it from Marshall's, or no, TJ Maxx. I was in TJ Maxx, and this is only $3.99. This is the Revolution, Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals palette number 3. And it looks like this. And I thought that this palette was so cute. And I'm like, $3 for this? These are some bomb shades. Like, look at that. Like, you could create so much. I still need to get my hands on that new one that came out, but girl, $3.99, you can't beat it with a stick. So I'm gonna go in with these beautiful shades here. Starting off with, I'm gonna start off with this shade all over my lid. They don't have like shades, they have numbers, and it's really hard to tell which. Oh, I guess it just goes in a row. So this is actually number 1. So I'm going in with number 1. And I'm just gonna place that all over my lid, up into the crease. Now I'm going in with this shade right here to add into the crease, and I'm using my MAC 224 brush, blending brush. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid as well. I've been liking to like pack on my colors lately all over the lid and dragging it up to the crease, rather than like adding a color here, blending it out, add another color. Like, I've just been changing up my ways of doing makeup to make it more efficient and effective for me, especially if I want to do an eyeshadow look and not spend 45 minutes to an hour on just my eyes, because brows already take a little bit in itself. So I've been really liking like doing this type of eyeshadow looks, like just packing on the color and then blending it up to the crease, or whatever the case might be, depending on the color. This is really nice. There's a lot of kick up on the palette, but that's to be expected in my opinion. Going in with the next shade, just switching my shade. I'm using my shade switcher. You see my last video, you know about this shade switcher. I'm gonna actually tackle this shade right here and put that more above the crease. Put that right above here and bringing it inside of here as well. This palette is so cute. I'm really liking how this is coming out. So I'm just gonna build. I just want to play around with some of the colors. So I'm gonna build with this one as well, using the same brush, and just put that below the crease and pack it on the outer V. This look is perfect for Valentine's Day as well. If you celebrate Valentine's Day, if you have a birthday coming up, this is my birthday month, so yeah. If you're an Aquarius, shout out to the Aquarius out there. This year is about to be bomb. Just know that 2020 already is starting off with a great start. I hope the rest of you are as well. And I'm just packing on this shade. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So these two colors are looking so similar to me. This one is just a little more pink and this one's a little more orange. So I'm gonna go in with this one because it's a little more pink. And I'm gonna actually use the Sigma E25 blending brush and just taking that shade, packing it onto the brush, not doing a lot. And just put a little bit of that in the inner corner part, just to like brighten up the look a bit. But you know what? I may use my finger. Like some of these shades, I just would rather use my finger. But that's just me. Some like shades like this, when they come to like a metallic-y type of shade, I'll just use my finger. You get more payoff like that. Now you could stop here if you want, but I want to try a burgundy shade in the outer corner just to give it like that smoky effect. so taking the Sigma Diffusing Crease Brush E38, I'm gonna go in with this shade here and just press that on the outer part of the eye. This turned out really cute. This palette is actually really cute. So again, this is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 3. So that is basically what I'm gonna do to the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and put on our blush. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. blush. This is the Primer Infused. I've been using this a lot. And I actually wanna get more shades because it's so bomb. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. Going into the bottom lash line. But before I get to my lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these lashes on. These are the Kala 3D Faux Locks that I got from Faux Locks. These are the Kala 3D Faux Lashes, Faux Mink that I got from Marshalls. I talked about these in my last video and I actually like these. These are in the style Fuego and they're just really fluffy and really girly and flirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. And I'm gonna pop these on and I'll be right back and we're gonna finish the face. All right, so my lashes are on and we're gonna go in on the bottom lash line with the same colors. So I'm so excited about this. This palette is actually like, it's actually blowing my mind. And especially since it was like only $3.99, $4, like come on. Can't beat it with a stick. So I'm gonna go in with this shade and then the deeper shade that we used on the outer corners. And for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. and Nobella Noir highlighter. I'm gonna actually put a little bit of that in the inner corner as well, just to brighten it up. Then we're gonna go ahead and use that on the rest of my face. I forgot how bold this highlighter is. To mix that in, I'm gonna go in with this old one. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlighter in the shade Wisp. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and rub that in with it. All right, so for lips, I'm like torn in between lips. I have this pink one here. I have a e.l.f. nude one that I think I may do. And I also have a ColourPop nude one. So the e.l.f. one is in the shade Blushing Brown. And that one looks like this. And I also have this Morphe lip pencil that's in like chestnut. It's really dark. The ColourPop one is in the shade Quickie, which is this lighter one. And then the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink is in this shade. These are actually really, really pretty. But I think I'm gonna go in with that. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. This was like, everything was less than $12, so you really can't beat that with a stick. I will say out of everything, my favorite has to be this, only because I've tried everything else. But for this to be a new product to add to my drugstore and affordable collection, I really am feeling this, and it makes me want to try more of the Makeup Forever eyeshadow palettes. So this was really good. I ended up spraying my face with the dewy setting spray, the coconut one by e.l.f. I'm almost done this bottle, so I need to re-up on this because I really do enjoy this. The foundation, this was new. The foundation was new as well. So far it's good. I will say I had to add another layer so that could give me more coverage. The one layer that I put on was like almost like a sheer light to medium. But this one is a medium to full, which is what I typically go for when I'm doing a full-on face with lashes. So yes, so far so good with this. I'll have to wear this for a full day and let you guys know in the description box or in the comments like I normally would when it comes to new products that I try out. But I will say I really do like this eyeshadow palette. So definitely check out your TJ Maxx, your Marshalls, and see if they have this in their makeup section. This is a good one. For $3.99, you can't beat that with a stick. And as you guys know about these lashes already, I talked about them. I got these from Marshalls, and they're just super easy to apply and all that jazz. But all of these products are less than $12, and that's what's super exciting about it, because you can get a full-on slay and you didn't even have to pay too much. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.